Which Silverado seat cover is actually worth your money? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the real answer. Today, we're cutting through the noise and showing you exactly what works and what doesn't. Product number 1, Skechers Memory Foam Seat Covers. Let's start with something different, the Skechers Memory Foam Seat Covers. Yeah, the shoe brand. They're priced around $50, and honestly, they caught my eye because of the name and the promise of comfort. If you want a plush, cushioned feel on long drives without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The memory foam actually contours to your body, which means less lower back fatigue on road trips. The air-cool mesh layer on top helps with breathability, something most truck drivers complain about in summer. It's universal fit, so it works across Silverado models, and it's airbag compatible, which is non-negotiable for safety. Over 2,000 people bought these in the past month, and while there are no reviews yet, the brand reputation gives it some credibility. Now, some people might worry about durability since it's memory foam. Will it flatten over time? Here's the thing though, it's layered with leather and reinforced mesh, so it's not just foam on foam. It should hold up fine unless you're hauling heavy tools or pets daily. The bigger issue is that it's only for front seats, so if you need full coverage, this won't cut it. This is perfect for you if you're a daily commuter who values comfort and doesn't need heavy-duty protection. Skip this one if you've got dogs, kids, or work gear that'll tear up soft materials. For the price, it's a solid comfort upgrade, just not a rugged solution. Product number 2, REVAA Dog Truck Seat Hammock. Now, if the Skechers covers are too basic for your lifestyle, this next one is built for serious pet owners, the REVAA Dog Truck Seat Hammock. At $139, it's the priciest on this list, but it's not just a seat cover, it's a full pet suite. If you regularly drive with 4 large dogs, this could be a game changer. Here's why this matters. It's designed specifically for crew cab trucks like the Silverado, with a hard honeycomb base that spans the rear seat gap, something most covers ignore. That means no more dogs falling into the abyss between seats during sudden stops. It supports up to 450 pounds, has plush padding for comfort, and is 100% waterproof. The 6 quick snap anchors make installation under 2 minutes, and it's machine washable. Over 700 sold last month, and the 3-year warranty shows the brand stands behind it. Now, some people complained about the price, and honestly, it is steep. Here's the thing though, if you've ever cleaned dog hair and mud out of your Silverado's backseat, you know how much time and money that costs. This pays for itself in protection and sanity. The only real flaw, it's overkill if you only have one small dog. This is perfect for you if you take your dogs on adventures or have multiple large breeds. Skip this one if you only occasionally bring a pet along. It's expensive, but for serious pet parents, it's worth every penny. Product number 3, Reliadura Custom Fit Dog Seat Cover. Alright, that was a solid option for heavy-duty pet use. But the next one on my list might actually be better if you want custom fit and affordability, the Reliadura Dog Seat Cover. At just $38, it's a fraction of the REVAA's price, and it's custom fit for Silverados, F-150s, Rams, and more. Here's why this matters. It's designed specifically for truck back benches, so it wraps snugly around the seat and sides, preventing slips even on bumpy roads. The non-slip backing, elastic straps, and seat anchors keep it locked in place. It's waterproof, machine washable, and has no strong chemical smell, something pet owners really notice. Plus, it has Velcro openings for seatbelts and storage pockets, which is surprisingly useful. Over 700 sold last month, and the fit is noticeably better than universal covers. Now, some people said the material feels a bit thin compared to premium options. Here's the thing though, for under $40, you're getting solid protection without the premium price. It won't last 10 years, but it'll handle daily dog use just fine. The gray color also hides dirt well, which is a win. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly, Silverado-specific cover that actually fits. Skip this one if you need extreme durability or travel with multiple large dogs regularly. For the price, it's one of the best values out there. Product number 4, Mejink Waterproof Truck Seat Cover. Now, if Reliagura's cover is great for the price, this next one, the Mejink waterproof seat cover, offers even more rugged material. At $42, it's only slightly more expensive, but it uses 600D Oxford fabric, which is the same stuff used in heavy-duty backpacks and outdoor gear. It's also layered with TPU for 100% waterproof protection, and the non-slip base stays put thanks to seat anchors and side straps. It installs in under 5 minutes and is machine washable. It fits Silverados, Rams, F-150s, and more, basically every major truck. Over 600 sold last month, and the build quality feels noticeably tougher than cheaper alternatives. Now, some people mention the black color shows dog hair more than expected. If you've got light-colored seats or a light interior, hair will be visible, but the cover is doing its job protecting the original upholstery. It's not invisible, but it's functional. This is perfect for you if you want tough, waterproof protection without spending over $100. Skip this one if you're looking for a sleek, invisible look. This is built for utility, not style. Still, for under $50, it's a no-brainer for active truck owners. Product number 5. Airbag Custom Leather Front Seat Covers. Finally, if you're not just protecting your seats but upgrading them, the Airbag Custom Leather Front Seat Covers are in a league of their own. At $144, they're the most expensive here, but they're custom fit for Silverados from 2007 to 2026, including 1500, 2500 HD, and 3500 HD models. They're waterproof, scratch-resistant, and won't interfere with airbags. The installation takes about 25 minutes with no tools, and they include headrest straps for different model years. Only 200 sold last month, but that's because it's a niche, high-end product. Now, some people complain that the fit isn't perfect on older models. Here's the thing though, custom fit doesn't mean perfect fit. There's always a tiny gap here or there. But for the protection and look, it's still a massive upgrade over worn factory seats. This is perfect for you if you want to refresh your Silverado's interior with a premium feel. Skip this one if you need rear seat coverage or have a tight budget. It's pricey, but if you care about aesthetics and long-term resale value, it's worth it. So which one's right for you? If you want comfort, go Skechers. For serious pet protection, Revaa's hammock is unmatched. On a budget, Reliagura or Mejink deliver great value. And if you want to upgrade your interior, Airbag's leather covers are the way to go. Each has trade-offs, but all solve real problems, so pick the one that matches your life, not just the price tag.